Welcome everyone. Today we're going to create a login system with authentication. We'll be using ChatGPT free version, no coding required, and for the database, we'll use Supabase. The idea is simple. When registering, you need to provide a valid email and a password. If the email is fake, it won't work because Supabase will send a confirmation message to the provided email. Step 1. Setting up Visual Studio Code. First, let's download Visual Studio Code. You can download it for Mac or Windows. Just click the download button and select the system installer. I won't install it here because I've already done it. Step 2. Setting up GitHub Copilot. Next, create or log into a GitHub account. Open Visual Studio Code, go to File, Preferences, Extensions, type in GitHub Copilot and install the extension. You'll need to sign in with your GitHub account. Now on the Welcome menu, select Create Workspace with Copilot. Go to the Copilot chat space. You can see all available AI models. The premium ones need a subscription, but we're going to use the free ones. Step 3. Generating the project. I'll provide Copilot with a prompt describing the login system we need. It will ask for a new folder. I'll name mine Login System. Wait a little while, and Copilot will generate the required files. Now open the README file. It shows the setup instructions. Step 4. Configuring Supabase. Go to supabase.com. If you don't have an account, create one. Create a new organization. Give it a name and choose a type. Start a new project. Enter a project name. Choose a password.
The time is 7 a.m.
Select your region. You can change advanced options if you want, but I'll leave them default. Click Create New Project. Once it's ready, you'll see the dashboard. Here you'll find the project URL and the API key. These are what we'll use to connect Supabase with our system. Step 5. Connecting Supabase to the project. Go back to Visual Studio Code. Check the README file. It says to replace the placeholders with your Supabase URL and API key. Do this in both app.js and dashboard.html. Next, install the live server extension, the same way you installed Copilot, or just open the index.html directly. Step 6. Setting up the database. Now, let's set up the SQL schema. Go to Supabase. Open the SQL editor, paste the SQL code provided in the project, and click Run. I'll allow lower RLS for this demo, but you can make it stricter later. Step 7. Testing the login system. Time to test. First, I'll try a fake email and password. It says invalid email, and the password must be at least 6 characters. Great, validation is working. Now, I'll enter a real email and password. It says registration successful, and a confirmation email has been sent. Let's check the inbox. Here it is. Supabase sent a confirmation email. Click Confirm your mail, and it redirects us back to the login page. Now, I'll type the email and password again. And yes, it works. We're logged in successfully. Let's log out and try a fake email again. It doesn't work. Perfect. We've built a complete login and registration system with Supabase Authentication using just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It validates inputs, only allows real emails, and connects directly to Supabase with authentication built in. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what project you'd like me to build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.